Welcome to my channel. My name is Silenthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebie down below so you can grab it if you'd like. Also for the month of March, I did join a collaboration of ladies where we are supporting each other's YouTube channels. I will link all of them down below. If you stop by their channel and happen to subscribe because you're new to them, let them know that I sent you. Also, we are doing a March Madness collaboration as well, which has been way more competitive than I ever could have imagined savings challenges to ever be. But it's been so much fun, and I'm so glad I decided to participate. There is another collaboration coming next month. One of them I'm not going to participate in just because my finances are so iffy. That is one thing that when you're working with savings challenges, you kind of want to have a little bit of wiggle room in terms of your money, and not so much over here. Oh man, I didn't grab my, you know what, I think we're going to skip it. I'll fill it out later, I guess, possibly, maybe. I've been doing really good with staying consistent and writing out my weekly budget, but I think it's okay. I'm going to give myself some grace for this video, and let's count up what we're stuffing. 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. I have $100 here today that we are working with. And let's start with this $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This money is for laundry. I have some quarters left over from previously, and I actually ended up getting more quarters than I needed. So this should be plenty to get us through. I do go to the laundromat to complete my laundry tasks, but what I do is I go on the days where it's more beneficial financially. So I don't just go, on a random day like I used to. I am very aware of the discounts and deals and things like that. So I'm just going to set this off to the side. My wallet is actually, I can see it from here, but I don't feel like getting up. I'm having one of those mornings where that's not what's happening over here. Okay, and let's jump into our weekly expenses. Let's just leave it this way so you can see the beautiful envelopes, which are from Conversation on Etsy. I will link her down below so you can take a look at her shop if you're interested. So fun money is mommy. That's my money, basically my allowance, but what I've been using it for is basically a buffer, or we went to happy hour at Taco Bell where you get, a drink for $1. We went twice last week. And then we used a little bit more cash we went to Dunkin' Donuts. So all we got was donuts. I had a discount, and then also used my spending, and then whatever we had left over in our sinking funds. So there's that. Gas getting its usual $20. It's been working out quite well. I try not to let it get, close to empty or anything like that, especially because gas prices have gone up here. Some people are saying they're not seeing a change or an increase. Well, I'm hoping that they go back down here. Household is getting $10 by 10. I do have some items on my list that I need to get here shortly. So I don't know if I'm going to go to the store today or not. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. I'm actually filming this on a Saturday morning, but you'll be seeing it tomorrow, Sunday. So happy Sunday, my friends. Pets getting $10. My kitty needs some food. He's a fatty. I think I need to do some research. Because all animals are different, just like all people are different. Some of us eat more, some of us eat less, some of us eat better, some of us eat, but I need to figure out, my kitty's a chunky kitty, and he likes eating. I don't know if that's his favorite pastime, second to sleeping, but, yeah, he's chubby. I don't know if he's really like overweight because he's also very tall and very long. So I don't know. We'll see. I got to do some research though and figure out in terms of his appetite, what's going on with that. Laundry. Okay, what did we do? Mommy, gas, household, pets, laundry. Perfect. I think that was everything that I needed to do for my weekly expenses. So we'll move on to the bills. So for my bills, I will let you know my membership. I left the rest of what was needed for the YMCA to pull the money. That's an automatic withdrawal. And the same thing for the insurance. I went ahead and left the remaining amount that was due in the account and pulled the money from here that I needed, so we can move forward. I think what we were going to do today is put $20 to utilities. And now utilities has $20.40. And then we're going to add $20 to internet. Internet now has $20.40. And my internet is closer towards the end of the month, so I have a little bit more time on that. My utilities, I believe, is coming out. No, that's next week. Okay. And this one, so I have next week to work on these. Like I said, insurance was already paid out, so I'm not adding anything there. My phone bill will be due here. Nope, next week as well. Wait, is it this? Oh, I'm gonna have to check and see. But I think if it's due this week, oh gosh, not sure. I'm gonna have to look at that. If it is, I'll just leave it in the account like I did for the other ones. I think that's a great idea. All right, so for subscriptions, we're gonna go ahead and add this last $5. Perfect. And like I mentioned, my memberships, that's for the YMCA. I was actually thinking about letting that one go. We aren't going nearly as much, first and foremost, but with everything going on and the cost of everything increasing, people are saying to try to get ahead of, you know, the financial state we may be encountering, and to cut back spending where you possibly can. And because I am low income, very low income, and I am a single mom, I'm trying not to change my children's lifestyle like dramatically, but since we don't go as much as we used to, I think it might be worth really considering using that $46 for something else. I know that it will help me, especially in the long run, in terms of the way my money is set up at this time. I mentioned that I decided to sign up for my 401k with my job, which I hadn't signed up for because I said, oh man, I need that money. And then finally, when I got a little bit of a raise, I said, I'll go ahead and put some money aside for my 401k. But now with everything going on, yeah, I just don't know exactly what I'm going to do. But if you have any suggestions, where are you cutting your spending, if you are cutting it at all? I know some people are just living their life and they're not letting this situation, financial possible scenario, affect them at all. But for me, I have to think ahead because I am in a situation where I don't have a whole lot of wiggle room in terms of money. So anyway, that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching and coming back again. Some of you are coming back every day. I mentioned that I've been posting every day, and some of you are coming back every day, and some of you are commenting every day. And I truly, truly appreciate you. I think it is so cool to see people as interested in what's going on over here as I am. It's been really cool to see that. But that's it for now. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, which will be tomorrow. Oh man. Okay. Yes, I look forward to seeing my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.